Hello there.
Today, I will show you how to make money online by using a free website to earn $2 per video you like without doing anything.
It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's phenomenal.
Look, $3. And another $3. And another one. This money will be deposited directly into your PayPal account. It's also available worldwide. All of this and much more is brought to you today by our method. The method we're about to demonstrate is completely insane because it is completely free. You don't need any special skills or prior experience to do this. This is extremely simple to do and literally anyone can do it. The money you'll make from this won't make you a millionaire, but as a beginner, it's the best way to get started. We'll walk you through the entire process step by step because we want to ensure that you're successful with each and every method we provide you. So make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end so you don't get confused about today's method. And make sure you don't skip a part because if you miss important details, chances are you won't get the desired results. Before we get started with today's video, if this is your first visit to this channel, welcome! We upload videos on how to make money online on this channel so that you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of our channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button to be a part of our money-making journey, and hit the notification bell next to it to be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Let's get right into the video without further ado. So go ahead and open your default browser and type in rapidworkers.com. Rapid Workers is a crowdsourcing service that employs over 1,000 people. Our team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. We're combining workers and employers to minimize publicity and marketing costs while at the same time providing money to everyday users. So for workers, all you have to do is sign up and browse the microjobs that will be assigned to you. Choose a job or jobs that interest you. Finish those tasks, submit proof, earn money, and so much more. You can also cash out using various methods such as PayPal, bank transfer, and many others. We mentioned that you can cash out using various methods, but we're curious. If you could choose any payment method in the world, what would it be? Please let us know by leaving a comment below. So now, we're going to sign up in order to see and learn more. And so you can see what we're talking about. To sign up, simply click Be a part of Rapid Workers. And that should take you to a page where you can sign up and fill out all of the required information. So that's your name, email, password, and the country you're from. And if you click on the countries over here, you'll see that they're accepted from anywhere. As a result, this should give you even more confidence that you can do this all over the world. Following that, you will confirm that you are not a robot and will be able to create an account. Take note that they have certain rules and regulations that you must follow, or you will not be able to earn money from this method at all. So for starters, using a VPN or other type of IP masking software is not permitted. It is also not permitted to have multiple accounts with the same IP address, or to use shared or public Wi-Fi. It is also not permitted to use the same IP address with multiple accounts to complete tasks. Working in other countries where you're not from is also prohibited, and all of these will eventually get you banned, so don't waste your time creating another account if you get banned. Technically, if you do not strictly adhere to all of these rules, you will be permanently barred from this website and will forfeit your opportunity to earn money. So stick with what you have and what you can do because you'll still be able to earn money from them. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So, because this is available worldwide, you can definitely participate in it. If there are any problems, please let us know in the comments section below along with your country name, and we'll look into it and keep you updated. Now, let's move on. So, once you click on Create an Account, they will ask you to confirm your email address. So simply open your email, check your inbox, and click the link in the email they sent you. And for a better perspective, here is how the email would look. Then you'll go ahead and click on this link right here. Then after you've verified your email address by clicking on the link, you'll have an account. And you can simply log into your account on the website by entering your email address, password, and confirming you are not a robot once more, then submitting or logging in. And this is what your account would look like on the inside. So the top section is where you can keep track of everything, including your balance, deposits, withdrawals, how long you were active, and so on. Basically everything, isn't it? So it's fantastic, because you're able to keep track of everything, all of the activity on your account. You'll know everything there is to know about your account. So you can get paid $1 or even $5 just to sign up. As a result, the earning potential on this website is enormous. You can also do this indefinitely. As a result, as soon as you scroll down, you'll see all of the tasks. All of these have their own payments, the amount, the time required to complete the task, such as here 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, and many more. And all of these are in minutes only, which means that you can finish these tasks in minutes. Almost all of these would take no more than 3 minutes or less than 10 minutes. You can also see which countries they're available in. As I previously stated, these tasks are available worldwide, which is correct. However, you should be aware that some of the tasks here are only available in a single country, such as the United States, Brazil, or India. But don't worry, because the majority of them are available globally, which means you can complete them from anywhere in the world. If you're not from the United States, Brazil, or India, you can simply go to the internationally available ones, which are more flexible. Of course, if you're from the same country as some of these tasks, you can go ahead and finish them. It's a fantastic opportunity. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Also, click the notification bell next to it to be notified whenever we upload a new video. So let us move on. So obviously, our focus is to get paid to like videos. And to do so, we want you to look up YouTube right here. And to get the most paying YouTube tasks, simply click on Most Paying right here. So simply click on it to see the highest paying tasks available right now. So as you can see, there are tasks that pay $5 for only 3 minutes of work. So you can earn that much in just 3 minutes. Isn't this less than 10 minutes? So once you've completed one task, you can move on to the next, which I think is fantastic. So for instance, let's click on this international task that will pay $2 in less than 3 minutes. And once you click on that, it will take you to another web page with all of the information you need to complete the specific task. So all you have to do is adhere to all of these. Once you finish the task, simply do what they tell you to do next, and then you will undoubtedly be compensated. It's literally that simple. Whatever task you want to complete, you can easily find it here and earn up to $5 or more for each task that you can complete in 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or less than 10 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get updates whenever we upload a new video.